Frick. Quick removal guide. Panel off. Screw. Boom. Steering wheel. Out. Thing. Down. Basil. The flappy bit. Out. Super cool trick. Push down. Pull. Camera. Cable. Piece of crap. Hooray. Alright, that was a quick snippet video, so we don't have to spend 10 minutes searching. Whatever dash this has, it'll work for everything. Apparently you need $1 billion tool to just pull it and grab. It's an old car. If it works, it works. We'll probably replace the center screen when the new gauge arrives. That'll be fun. Mine! There's a side panel right there. Awesome. Awesome. Start button. It's a screw. A screw location for the bezel. The flippy flappy. Another screw. Second screw for the gauge. And that's the other one. Сука, бля!